Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Guys, it's a bit of an overcast day. There's a calling for rain, but the winds are light, so we have to get out here. I'm out again with my buddy from Catch Me Outdoors YT. We're up here on 6 Mile Lake and exploring because recently our fishing has sucked. So let's just enjoy the day. Hopefully we can stay dry, and we'll go from there. So we're gonna head out onto the lake and see what kind of fun we can get up to. So I hope you'll come along with us, enjoy this ride, and we'll see you out there. Nope, we'll see you out there. Just going through the narrows here, and the water is way down. Last time we were here was about 2 years ago, and you could just rip through this. I mean, it's still sketchy, but I can start seeing rocks, so I'm gonna go slow through here just to make sure everything's kosher. The beauty of the Sea-Doos is you can get into places like this. You just got to be careful. And I know from last time we had to go around the island this way. Okay, there's bugs. Okay, here's where it gets a bit steep. Trying to go up a river, probably not the smartest thing that I could do. I want to get up in there and see what that looks like. So I'm gonna park there or park there. Okay, tied up under a tree. Gonna go up into the woods on an adventure. I will tell you, the water is nice and warm, surprisingly. Alright, let's see how this goes. 1, 2, 3, go! Did it. I mean, I'm gonna have some lunch right here. Yeah. Under the maple tree. Well timed, it's starting to rain. I think I made it to shore. A bit more flow than the last time I was here, that's for sure. Last time I was here, we could walk right along there and the water was only kind of really light, so I'll link to that video so you can see the difference in the waterfalls. But like, got some movement. They did have rain up here a little while ago and they probably added some water to the system. Yeah, pretty cool. As it is raining, I think I'm gonna go back to the Sea-Doo, maybe grab something to eat, and see what we can do from there. What would be summer without bugs, right? Like, so fitting. Oh gosh. Oh, get out of my ear, man. That's the worst. When they go in your ear, all you hear zzz. Nope. Not as graceful as I thought it would be. Whoa, I gotta get new shoes. I'll kill myself doing this. Whew. Okie doke. Oh my goodness. I need new shoes. Some beaver was working on that a while ago. So giving up. It's a nice sandy little beach.